TrulyFun Toys!
Welcome back to TrulyFun Toys. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be the first to see our fun videos that are posted every single day.
Hi, I'm the doctor. I'll check your dinos. You can go play in the ball pit. Okay. Here's Wyatt. Let's give him a cast. That worked perfect. Now he can go play in the ball pit and wait for his friends. Let's hope this Ankylosaurus. It looks like he hurt his tail. Let's fix his tail with a bandaid. Now, let's check our thing and let's see what we have to do next. We have to check his temperature. Very high fever. Let's put this comb on so he doesn't bite his tail. Now he can play in the ball with his friend. Now let's check up on the T-Rex. Here's the T-Rex and let's check his heartbeat. He has a very fast heartbeat, but I think he's sick. Let's check his temperature. He has a very high fever. Important to stay hydrated. Let's give him some water. Let's give him some medicine so his fever can go down. Now he can go in the ball pit with his friend. One last one, and it's a Triceratops. Let's do a full checkup. Is one sour healthy? His horns are the right size. Let's check his eyes. Say Triceratops. And let's give him some water. This is one healthy Triceratops. Time to clean up. Okay. Your dinos are ready for pickup. Okay. Oh, baby. Huh? You're taking only one? Come back! I can't keep all these dinos at once. Hey, come back! You forgot something! Hey, come back!